Hey there! Are you considering dental implants to replace missing teeth? Dental implant failure and infection are two common complications that can happen with dental implants. So it's important to know what to watch out for. One technique that can provide patients with a full arch of teeth in one visit is teeth in a day, or all on 4. While it's a great option for many people, it carries a slightly higher risk of complications compared to the traditional 2-stage implantation technique. But there are things you can do to reduce the risk of complications. Proper care and maintenance of your dental implants is key, including maintaining good oral hygiene, regular checkups with your dentist, and avoiding smoking. If you do experience an infection, it's important to seek treatment as soon as possible to prevent further damage. Our case here was implant removal, bone augmentation, and reimplantation.